Well, welcome back to Carolina Saltwater Living, guys. Today, I've got something to show you. A company reached out to us, y'all, and people do this all the time. They will send us emails, hey, will you use our product in a video? We'll send it to you. Sometimes it's for free, sometimes it's at a discount. And for the most part, I decline every single one. I think the last one I did of these was probably some boots or something. Maybe some rubber boots. I don't know. I can't remember. But anyways, it's been a while since I have endorsed a product here on YouTube. So this is Ogre. I guess that's how you pronounce that. Ogre. And y'all, I had been looking at those little blowers from Bauer at Harbor Freight. Because I have so many 20-volt batteries, I thought that'd be great for keeping my equipment trailer blown off instead of having to broom it every single time I come home, or just blowing out air filters, keeping the cook shack clean, and really the front porch, blowing out gutters, you know, whatever, something small and lightweight. And when Ogre reached out to me with this one, I said, you know what? I turned down most of these requests, but yes, I am actually in need of something like that, and I like the design of this one, and here is why. Because I do a lot of my work unloading on the side of the road with the excavator tractor, I like knowing that I've got a work light if I need it. If it's dark, I'm usually not out after dark, but let's just say I have an event happen and I'm out after dark, need to change some tires. I got two modes there for the white light. I've even got a red light right there, which I'm not really sure what the small red light would be for. It's really not going to do anything but maybe alert somebody visually, but I like the little strobe. It's not on a vehicle, so it's not something that's illegal to use in a safety situation. So even with my cones that I carry in my truck, I keep about, I think, a dozen safety cones, the big orange ones with reflective tape on them. I like this because if I'm changing a tire on the side of the road, and Lord knows I've had to do it, it would be nice to be able to set that up right where I'm working at on the fender well. Don't have to have the cone on it. It turns and comes right off. Just for a little extra measure of visual safety for traffic that's coming by, to go along with my safety vest that I wear too. But I do like that, and you can strobe through it and it's done. It's even got a front work light. Hold it down one time, it's really bright. I mean, it will blind you. And you can dim it, and you've also got some strobe there, so if you, once again, are on the side of the road, need to throw something up for a little extra. And I can tell you, in the dark, you can see these strobes really well. We used to have a similar type strobe on all of the patrol cars that we used to have when I was in law enforcement. And I can tell you, they are very good at getting people's attention. It comes with two different cones, y'all. This is a big one that you saw me blowing some leaf debris. This thing is so lightweight, I thought there is no way it's going to blow this stuff. Y'all, it is really strong. I don't know, like, in terms how strong it is, but it is really strong. It came with two 21-volt batteries, fully charged. Most of the time you got to plug them in, and it's got an adapter, and I like this. I like that there's not a separate charging station. All you have to do, I'll just show you, is pull that thing out, and right there is where you hook in your charger straight to the wall. I like that. I have another product like that as well. And you saw me using the smaller cone. That's what I will use primarily, y'all, for a kind of direct that concentration. It's perfect for the filters on the excavator and the tractor. Those canister type filters that you pull out, and even the filters, the radiators that maybe you don't want to, like on the tractor, there's a screen you can pull off. I can blow it with that. I can blow the radiator. I can blow the radiator on the excavator. Pickup trucks, it doesn't matter. And this thing will live inside of the truck whenever I'm going to a job, or Lisa and I are driving the little yellow Ranger around looking at jobs, or just wherever. Just to have a convenient tool with us just for the emergency preparedness right there. I like having that strobe. And people are going to be like, it might last you for a year, it might last less. Y'all, I've had some of these tools that we have actually used on the channel for several years now, and I use them often, very often. This is a tool that I will use a lot. Y'all, it even comes with earplugs, and let me tell you, you're going to need them because it is loud, y'all. It's really loud, but all leaf blowers are. But I like this one's electric, so I'm not actually hearing that gas motor going too. So this is tolerable, and this is not something that you're going to buy to blow all the leaves in your yard with. This is for spot cleaning, y'all. And the majority of the time, that's what you're doing anyways. I have another electric blower that a brother of mine gave me several years ago, but I got to drag out a 100-foot drop cord, deal with that junk, getting it untangled, when all I need really is this right here. So Ogre, I'm going to put a link to their Amazon storefront, and you can see what all they have to offer, including this, y'all. And if you keep a kit in your car for like blown out tires, road emergencies, this is a good one to keep in there too, just for the work light ability on it, because you can turn it on and leave it, sit it down, it's got a solid base, change the tire, work on the engine in the car, whatever you have to do. So this is a good value too. I think it's around $60 for this one right here. But they have set up a discount code. I will put it somewhere on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description along with links to their storefront. I believe it's 10%. And it's already, in my opinion, $60 for a multi-tool like this with 2 batteries, 21-volt lithium batteries. I think that's a pretty good bargain. The batteries alone are probably about that expensive anyways. So I think it's a pretty good bargain, y'all. And we appreciate Ogre sending that out to us. They've got plenty of other things. They've got a website, ogre.com. I believe they also got some Facebook and Instagram. I don't have Instagram. Lisa handles any Facebook that we do, but you can just follow the link in the description or just Google ogre.com. Use the discount code. Pick one up. You know, Amazon, if you're a Prime member like we are, because we get so much stuff delivered, it'll be here in a few days. You can still get this in time for Christmas. And I think it would make an excellent gift for the man or the woman on your list. So guys, check out Ogre. I'll be using this thing on the channel quite a bit, y'all. Keeping this cook shack clean, keeping equipment blown out. I'm really grateful to have this tool. And I hope that you guys will check them out. Go ahead and tell you, we're not an affiliate with Amazon. So if you purchase this through Amazon, we don't get a kickback. We could set that up, but I really just don't care to. So you're getting a straight 10% discount when you buy their product. Give them a check, y'all. Check them out. I like the tool, and I wouldn't come on here and tell you if I didn't. Y'all have a good day and a great week. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. We will see you on the next one.